Hi everybody, my name is Olusalami. Welcome to my course Understanding Machine Learning and Executive Briefing. I'm the principal consultant and founder of Artisani Informatic in London, and I'm convinced that the rise of machine learning is among the most important and hottest trends of our time. Machine learning underlies many of the services we use today, including things like image recognition, speech recognition, recommendation from websites such as Amazon, and even whether or not Google knows how long it'll take you to get to work on a given day. This course is a quick introduction to machine learning. No prior knowledge is required, nor is any in-depth knowledge of maths required. The major topics we'll cover include what machine learning is, what it can be used for, the machine learning process, what a model is, the basic concept and terminology around machine learning, and by the end of this course you'll have enough to go deeper, should you choose to, or enough to start thinking about a career path should you also wish to pursue that. Thank you and see you on the next video clip.